Miss Johnson, so I just got your email, and I thought we already talked about this, but we don't need construction plans. You do not need construction plans. I got everything here in my head, and we also don't need permits because the city doesn't come around this area right here. We can get away with this project with no permits, so stop asking questions. Hey, Miss Johnson, I'm ordering this food, but come on out here with me real quick so we can wrap this thing up. I'm ready to go. Yeah, so extra soy sauce, please, fried rice, and don't forget the fortune cookie. I always love those. So, Miss Johnson, so we just did the estimate and everything. I can do everything. My guy's here. You know, I got credentials. So we're gonna knock this thing out for you, but don't leave me no Google reviews. I don't like that. I don't like being on the internet at all. So don't look for us on the internet, but you got my number. There's no warranty, and yeah, I'm about to get out of here, but make sure you send that deposit.